making outdoor composters from garbage bins. Composting at home helps reduce 50% of all household wastes going to the landfills. Unlike composting at home, the organic waste in landfills where lacking of oxygen will emit methane, polluting the environment. Why not helping organic material breaking down naturally? Today, I am going to convert organic food waste into compost from home. I found this beautiful half-sun corner in my garden, an ideal spot to keep my outdoor composters. This is one of the 2 old garbage bins abandoned in my garden for a while. I will make the best use of it today. If you don't have anything like this available, you can find similar bins from your local hardware store for a maximum of $20 each. Get into my shed to take the tools out. All I need is a strong drill. Starting to drill the holes from the lid, make sure the holes are not too big, because you don't want flies to get in and lay eggs later on. Drill more holes around the body and bottom of the bin. Put some bricks on the ground for the bin to sit on. The gap from the ground to the base of the bin will help aerate the pile. The second bin is now also ready, with lots of holes around, on the base and lid. To further aerate the pile, I put the spare dish rack to the bottom. Position the bins in a half-sun spot on the bricks I have prepared before. Add 1 part green matter, garden clippings and fruit, vegetable scraps, tea leaves, coffee grinds, etc. Add 2 parts brown matter, such as cardboard, like egg cartons, shredded paper, tissues, napkins, dry leaves, or mulch to feed carbon into your compost and aerate the pile. To speed up the process, use a garden fork to aerate the pile once a week or so. Add water so it's damp but not soggy. Occasionally add a handful of poultry manure onto a dry layer to boost the nitrogen. Once it's full, leave it and wait for 2 to 3 months until all the bigger pieces have broken down. Start piling up the second bin while waiting for the first bin to complete the breakdown process. That's it! Now my old garbage bins have become the best things for my garden and the environment ever.